Hello there, Steve from WorkSmart Systems here to show you how to do the NAT080 file, which collects the client details for each of your learners. Here's all the fields that have required to be collected for a VETMIS, and each have a position, a length and a data type. I suggest going to NCVER website and getting this document, as it tells you all the rules for each of these fields, whether they can be left blank or whether you have to fill them in. Okay, let's go to the student management program and click student administration. Here you come up with the personal details, and we have 3 example students in here, and they're in this navigator bar here as well. Okay, now first off, unique student identifier, that's been added here. So this is where you put the USI in for each of the students. Also, if your student is an overseas student, click this box here and you can enter in all the visa details and passport details here for each student as required. Okay, let's add a new student. Okay, Molly Pickford, there you go. And we have to give her an internal student ID, that reference number that we would use in-house. It's also required by a VETMIS, but it's also required by the program. Enter in a few quick details, Mrs. Yep, and a unique student identifier number. There. If I click the navigator, her name is added to the list. If I pull this across, this is fully scalable. Drag it across. You can see it has 4 columns, including the student identifier number. If you click the column header, you can sort by any of these fields. Okay. Besides this tab, you also need to do the trainee details tab. That's 2 tabs for the NAT080 file because it's a lot of fields. So if you click here, you'll see all the other fields that are required. If I click back to Molly, you can see the details that I entered have been entered here. And we need to go down and then go through all the selections and fill in all the boxes here. Down the bottom you have an exclude from a VETMIS option, which means if you were doing a staff member and you didn't want to put them for accredited training, you could click this and they would be excluded from a VETMIS reporting. Okay, unclicking this means they will be reported when you export your NAT files for a VETMIS. So if we come back here, that concludes it for today. Thank you very much.